Xiaomi 13 Pro real life hands-on video coming in from China. Here this is the 6.73-inch Pro variant with curved display and Sony IMX989 camera. The non-Pro got a flat boxy finish, is small in size, so keep that in mind. So this is the lightish green color option, got glossy finish, and there's a white ceramic touch and navy leather option too. Me, I like curved edges but still got a massive chain to the bottom, something Xiaomi just cannot get rid of in the Pro model but managed to trim it down in the not so expensive non-Pro, which came as a shocker. So overall, the front looks identical to the Xiaomi 12 Pro. The back finish contains a squarish module, got triple cameras, and the main sensor is 1-inch Sony IMX989 just like the Xiaomi 12s Ultra. Then there's a Leica telephoto lens and a super wide camera too. Here are some official camera samples, and without any doubt, this sensor can shoot amazing daylight and night images. Yes, the Xiaomi 12s Ultra is a live example of that. Shocking and disappointing part is no two less interface changes in the MIUI 14 initial look. The lock screen animation icon still looks similar to MIUI 13, which was similar to MIUI 12 and 11 and so on. The settings page showing off final specifications of the Xiaomi 13 Pro got 8GB of base RAM, Qualcomm's 8 Gen 2 Silicon, A13 and MIUI 14.2.2 out of the box. Xiaomi MIUI 14 hands-on video is coming soon on my channel. Here I've got the Chinese variant of Xiaomi 12s Ultra, and again Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro unboxing and hands-on video from Xiaomi store will be on my channel right after the launch event. So again, make sure to turn on all the notifications, like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.